Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add user role drop down in default WordPress registration form in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in general setting and then you see default role drop down. So we have these role. If you want to create new role, you can add plugin and then create role. So we are going to add drop down in default WordPress registration form. Now go to registration form first. So this is our form. So we are going to add user role drop down. Now back to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in code you see drop down list, select user role from drop down. So you can add text according to requirement, and then you see array, we are using subscriber author role. So you can add role according to requirement. Now go to general setting and then you see default role drop down. Now select, you see name, so add same name exact. Now you see author, editor, E capital, remaining small. Back to code. So we are going to add more, comma, and then add editor, same format. Now you see E capital, remaining small. So you can add role according to requirement, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to registration form. Now refresh the page. So we are going to register new user, and then you see username, email, select user role from drop down. Now you see, so we are going to fill this information. So we added username, email, and then you see select user role from drop down. Now select author and then click on register, and then you see message, registration complete, please check your email, then visit the login page. Now back to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see all user, so open it. So this is the new username, custom username. So this is a new registration, user registration, and then you see email, and then you see role author assign. Click on edit and then scroll down, you see role author from drop down. So in this way you can add custom role user drop down in default WordPress registration form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.